This $900 million power plant just changed everything, the future of clean energy. A coal power plant in Louisiana just announced a $900 million project that could revolutionize how we think about clean energy. But here's the twist. They're not shutting down the plant. They're making it cleaner than most renewable facilities. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you how Coal Power Plant's Power's Diamond Vault project could become the blueprint for transforming every fossil fuel plant in America, and why this matters for the future of energy. Part 1. The Carbon Dioxide Capture Revolution. Here's what Coal Power Plant's Power is actually doing. Project Diamond Vault. $900 million carbon capture retrofit. Captures 95% of CO2 from their largest coal unit. Stores it permanently in underground geological formations. The numbers. 4+ million tons of CO2 captured annually. 1,100 construction jobs over 3 years. 30 to 40 permanent jobs created. Commercial operations by 2028. Why this matters. Keeps baseload power reliable. Lights stay on. Uses existing infrastructure, no grid disruption. Addresses legacy emissions from fossil fuels. Solves the energy trilemma: security, affordability, sustainability. But here's where it gets really interesting: the bioeconomy game changer. What if instead of just burying that CO2, you could turn it into money? Enter Bioeconomy Solutions' closed-cycle greenhouse. Captures CO2 directly from power plants. Uses it to grow Paulownia trees at 100% faster rates. Processes 1 million tons of CO2 annually. Capable modular design to 4 million tons of CO2 annually expanded. The technology. Sealed greenhouse environment, no CO2 waste. 800 to 1200 ppm CO2 enrichment versus 412 ppm normal air. 60% increase in root mass development. 14 million high-performance tree clones annually. The transformation. From waste disposal cost, tree growing asset. From linear disposal, circular economy. From carbon storage, carbon utilization. From cost center, revenue center. Part 3. The hybrid model advantage. This creates what I call hybrid sequestration. Traditional model, coal power plants only. Capture CO2, store underground, pay disposal costs, single revenue stream, tax credits. Community concerns about underground storage. Hybrid model, coal power plants plus bioeconomy. Capture CO2, grow trees, generate multiple products. Revenue streams, tax credits plus timber, plus biochar, plus carbon credits. Visible, tangible carbon storage, trees people can see. The economic impact. Premium Paulownia lumber, $400 to $1,200 per cubic meter. Enhanced carbon credits from tree growth. Biochar production for soil enhancement. Potential for negative emissions if biomass is co-fired. Risk mitigation. Geological backup if biological system needs maintenance. Community trust through visible environmental benefits. Diversified revenue protects against carbon price volatility. Part 4. The National Blueprint. This isn't just about one power plant. It's about transforming America's energy infrastructure. The scalability. 200+ coal plants across America could use this model. Each plant, potential 1 to 4 million tons CO2 annually. Total opportunity, 200+ million tons CO2 utilization. The benefits: keep reliable baseload power online, create rural agricultural jobs, generate new revenue streams for utilities, accelerate decarbonization without grid instability. Who wins? Utilities. Transform stranded assets into profit centers. Communities. Jobs plus environmental benefits. Investors. New asset class in carbon utilization. Climate. Faster decarbonization with economic incentives. The timeline. 2025, permitting and partnerships. 2026-2028, construction and deployment. 2029 plus, full-scale hybrid operations. 2030s, national model replication. Your call to action. Coal power plants' carbon dioxide capture project proves we don't have to choose between reliable energy and clean energy. The hybrid sequestration model shows how we can transform every fossil fuel plant into a carbon-negative facility while generating new revenue streams. This is the future of energy transition, not shutting down infrastructure, but upgrading it with breakthrough technologies. If you want to stay ahead of the clean energy revolution, subscribe for more insights on technologies that are reshaping entire industries. What do you think? Can hybrid sequestration transform America's power grid? Drop your thoughts below. The energy revolution isn't about replacing everything. It's about making everything better. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.